Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by softening the residue so you can remove it without scratching. Dampen a microfiber cloth with 70–90% isopropyl alcohol, not soaking, just damp. Once done, press the cloth over the sticker residue for 20–30 seconds to melt adhesive slightly. Use a plastic card at a low angle to lift softened edges. Scrape gently, not pry. Make sure to reapply alcohol and repeat pressing, rather than forcing the card. Once edges lift, continue section by section so you never spread adhesive over clean areas. You apply more alcohol and press again, then glide the plastic card away from the laptop frame. That motion pulls residue off rather than smearing it. For tight spots, use a cotton swab dampened with alcohol to dissolve glue and a microfiber to absorb it. Make sure to rotate to a clean cloth section regularly so you always remove adhesive instead of reapplying it. You finish by wiping the entire area with a dry microfiber to remove any streaks and restore finish. If a thin film remains, repeat the press and wipe cycle with alcohol. For stubborn spots, briefly use a tiny amount of mineral oil to loosen, then follow immediately with alcohol to remove oil. If something goes wrong, like discoloration, stop, let the surface dry, and test a gentler solvent on an inconspicuous corner before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.